Cooking for Kids. Today we're going to be making an apple crumble. So I've got this cooking apple right here and I've got about 5 others. So to start, we're going to just start peeling this apple. Now the apple's peeled, we're going to cut it into small pieces and put it in this pan. Watch your fingers, and if you can't do it, just ask an adult for help. Ah, my finger! Just kidding. Right then, so we've chopped up all the apples and the hob is set to 5 and I'm just stirring these apples so they don't burn. Now, we're just going to have 4 tablespoons now of caster sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. This is how your apple should look. The apple is stewed and we put it in a bowl. Now it's time for crumble! We need caster sugar, self-raising flour and unsalted butter. First, we'll put in 6 ounces of flour. Try not to make a mess. Now we need 3 ounces of butter. That is 3 eggs. Perfect! 3 ounces! Next, we need 3 ounces of caster sugar. All the ingredients are in. Now we mix it with our fingertips. Make sure you wash your hands. Just kidding. I'm actually going to wash my hands. And to start mixing with the fingers now. Make sure there's no lumps, like this one. Tip, to make all the lumps go to the top, just shake the bowl. Look, lump, lump, lump. Let's keep mixing. Now that the crumble has got a breadcrumb consistency, we are going to place it on the apple. Make sure it's all even. Now with a fork, we just even it out. Preheat the oven on 180 and turn this dial to the bottom. There, now the oven is on. Right, that's preheated. To put it in the oven. Be careful, it might be hot. There we go. Right, so the timer will set it for about 20 to 25 minutes so far, and if it's not done then, we'll set it for maybe another 5 minutes. Ready! Yum, yum, get in my tum.